I'm Tag from MarketMan, and today I'm going to be introducing two of our newest AI-powered features that we've shipped. Those are going to be AI recipe suggestions and AI recipe match. And the idea of these newest features is to dramatically save time on building recipes and to help restaurant operators come up with new recipes potentially into the system. The way that they work is I'll click into a sale item that we've added to the system. Usually these are pulled in straight from the POS when we establish your connection. To leverage AI recipe match, I'll click in here and then I can easily reference a screenshotted recipe from Excel or from Google Docs and load this into the system. And what MarketMan will do and our AI tool is intelligently match the items that we've put into this template against what we've already loaded into the account from an operator's order guide or pictures of invoices. And it's very easy from here to simply add all of the items from that recipe or those suggestions into the recipe, include the quantity, and the system will automatically cost this out for us as of our most recent purchase from our suppliers.